Yo guys, welcome back to the SciTech channel. Today we got another video ready for y'all, and this is a little bit of a different video. It is still going to be in unboxing. It's still tech related, but just a little bit different from the typical products I unbox on my channel. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right on into it. So today we are unboxing this RTX 5060. Needed a new GPU for my PC, so here we are with the MSI Shadow 2X 5060 unboxing. So this is the back of the packaging. I'm just gonna go a little bit all over the box, show you guys very quickly. That's not really important for you guys, but yeah. And here we have the top part of the packaging. Yeah, but this one is still just going to be an unboxing. Let me go ahead and rip this open. Nothing like a perfectly sealed package. Yeah, let me know if you guys want any other videos from this 5060. I'll see what I can do for you guys. But here's the box. Let me open it right here. It's been a while since I got a GPU, so this is a neat little detail they got on the front here of the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. So you got a little part saying MSI. Cool wooden, or like wood type of packaging with the logo in it. Let me toss that to the side. We have the GPU in here, and they just have a quick start guide. And let me see if there's anything else inside. No, that's it. Pretty eco-friendly packaging. I like that. Let's go ahead and put this back. And then just get the GPU out for you guys. So, take the GPU out of its packaging. There's a nice little anti-static bag. Don't want to be too hard on this. Gently take it out. Alright. We have the GPU itself, a bunch of plastic wrapping on it. There's the front. There's a little, here's the side. They got 3 display ports and 1 HDMI on it. Let's go ahead and take off some of this plastic for you guys. So let's start with the back peel. Where is it peelable from? Oh, here. I got a little notch. There we go. Satisfying. Whoa, shook the camera. Sorry about that, guys. Clean little back plate there. Let's go ahead and take off this front part. Got a nice little peel on the freaking edge if I can reach it. There we go. All right, got that peeled off. And then I'm gonna do this part. right. Really nice looking GPU, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and take these plugs out to show you guys. We got HDMI right there, display port, and display port. So those are the plugs. Oh, we got another peel that I missed. So let's get this one taken care of. All right, that's another one done. And then let's take this protector off just to show you guys a little bit of that. But yeah, that is the RTX 5060 from MSI. This is their Shadow 2X model. Looks pretty clean. I think I'm happy with my choice here. And we got another peel hitting, what am I saying? Right here. There we go. It has officially been unboxed 100% of the way. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what kind of videos, if any, you guys want from this 5060, and I will see if I get some time to make it for you guys. So yeah, peace out guys. I hope you enjoyed.